Welcome to Outgrow. Today we're breaking down a strategy top brands use to prove their expertise and turn casual visitors into qualified leads. Interactive quizzes. Take SEO ability. On their website, they run a quiz called Take the SEO Quiz Now. It's a simple tool, but it does something powerful. It asks visitors questions like, what should be the top goal of any website, according to Google? Although Google can index different file types, text content is still the safest way to make sure that Google understands your page. How can you help Google understand the content of your pages? Which of these issues can lead to multiple duplicate URLs pointing to identical or very similar content on a website? How can you prevent duplicate content issues if you have many pages with similar content? Based on your answers, SEO ability instantly delivers a personalized result. That's personalization at scale, and it's exactly what builds trust with an audience. Here's the good news. You can build the same experience with Outgrow in seconds. Let's walk through it. Head to AI Marketing Tools in the navigation bar. Select All-in-One, AI Marketing Tools, then click Try Now. Describe what you want to create. For example, create a quiz to discover your SEO superpower. Outgrow's AI instantly builds a complete quiz framework, questions, answer options, and outcome structures. Think of this as your strategic starting point. You'll refine it with your own expertise next. Want changes? Just describe them conversationally, and the AI updates the quiz in real time. Once you're happy with it, type Save It to lock in the framework. You now have two options. Preview the quiz experience directly, or open it in Outgrow's full builder for advanced customization. For this walkthrough, we're heading into the builder, where your quiz evolves from a template into a true brand experience. Welcome page. Add a heading, subheading, and CTA button. Update visuals with high-resolution imagery that reflects your brand. Questions and answers. Click any element to edit it in place. Fast, intuitive, no friction. Design each result with intention. For an SEO superpower quiz, outcomes might include the keyword wizard, the link building maestro, the technical SEO guru, the local SEO champion. Populate every outcome with content that feels specific and useful, never generic. This is where you define which combination of answers routes a user to which result. Get this right, and every participant receives a personalized, data-driven recommendation. Never one size fits all. Head to the Design tab for the finishing touches. Upload your logo, apply your brand colors, select custom typography, and adjust layouts. The goal: your quiz should feel like a native part of your digital presence, not a third-party embed. Before you go live, use preview mode to walk through the entire quiz. Test every question, verify each outcome, confirm the experience feels polished and intentional. Confident? Hit go live. Share your quiz with a direct link or embed it on your website using the embed option. In just a few steps, you've built the kind of interactive, personalized experience that leading brands like Seobility use to demonstrate expertise, capture intent data, and drive real results. Ready to build yours? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start creating today.